guys, good evening. It is me, Laura, with Scraps of Encouragement, and I am here today to do a little unboxing video with you guys. Things are a little bit wild in our house. We are getting ready to go on a nice, big, long trip. So we're going to be gone for a little while, so we're getting all packed up, and I'm trying to figure out what of my stamping stuff I'll need to take and trying to get all that figured out. And so anyway, my schedule's been wonky, so I'm a little behind posting our weekly tips. Sorry, I'm going to try to make the lighting a bit better, but I think it might mess everything up. So let's see what we can do. Whoa, that was exciting. But anyway, yeah, so we're kind of getting ready for a trip, so everything is crazy around here. But amidst all the craziness, I had a fun and special box come today. I think we're gonna try this a different way. Ooh, here we go. So I thought I would show you guys what came in my fun and special box. If I can get this to stand. Oh no, I messed it up, and now, okay. So if you're joining me, I'm futzing with my setup. I had it all good, and then I moved something. So now I'm having a very hard time getting this set up again. There we go. Okay, I think I got it. All right, so the lighting might not be as good as I hoped, but we'll do our very best and to make the most of what we have. There we go. There, that's a little better. Not so bad. Okay, so let's go ahead and dig in. So the first thing I have is, this is the Layering Ovals Framelits dies. And you will hear me talk again and again. As you look at some of the stuff that I am unboxing, it might not be as fun and exciting, but I'm a big believer in getting the basics first. And getting them, and like, there have been so many times that I wish I had ovals that I could layer, that I wished I had ovals in general in my die stash. And I have the circles, but that's it for the layering ones. And I do have the stitched shapes, which does have some ovals and some squares and some circles, but I have really wished that I had more ovals, so that kind of moved to the top of my wish list, and I was able to get those, which is super exciting because that'll just give me more versatility with that. I prefer getting things because I can always use my cutter to cut squares if I need to. Of course, I can't do the scalloped border, but I can use that to cut squares, but circles are a little bit harder. So I also got this set, and as you guys look, you'll notice that I got several things from a particular suite, and I got them on purpose because I am putting together some ideas for our first Sweet Scraps kit, which I'm really excited about. I originally did not plan on getting these dies, but I purchased them so that we could do the Sweet Scraps. So these cut out the kangaroo and the giraffe and the rhinoceros and the frog from our animal outing stamp set. So see, it cuts out this, cuts out this, and this, and this, and we have some extra little branches here and some fun giraffe print, which you can use. Anyway, you can do lots of stuff with this. And this is a really fun die that I'll show you kind of what it does. It doesn't cut it, like, it makes a fun effect. So I'll have to show that to you. So this is specifically for some of the things that we have going on with that kit that's coming up. So that's really exciting. And then we have, okay, these look pretty boring. These are ink spots. I got 3 packages of ink spots. This one I have already opened. This is especially for when I travel. I want to make sure that I don't want to take the full ink pads because we only have so much space. So there's a few colors that I really needed to transfer to ink spots, so I got those. And I already actually started doing that. That's why there's only one in here. I got in this kit the final colors that I did not have of the new colors were Mary Marlowe, Granny Apple Green and Petal Pink. So I got those, and then I can make ink spots out of them, and then I have them that I can use. And then I also got Blueberry Bushel. This isn't a color I have, but there have been so many times that I've gone to go for colors and, oh, Blueberry Bushel, oh wait, I don't have that one. So I went ahead and got it. That's a really good way to build your supply. If you noticed, I said with the ovals and with this, if there's something that you find yourself wishing you had over and over again, it's probably something you want to add to your wish list. Hi, Mom. You haven't missed much. I'm just showing some of the things that I got in my box today, and you can always go back and watch the replay and see what you missed. But I got the Petal Pink, the full Petal Pink ink pad, and I got some more. I really enjoyed using these for my card class, or the note cards, and the envelopes are a little bit smaller. I didn't think I'd like them, but I did so much that I think I should always have them on hand because they're really great for things. Just got some more blades, which I watched an awesome video. I'll see if I can find it and share it with you guys of how to take care of your blades so they last longer, and I'm really looking forward to that, testing that out. Got some more snail. Not super exciting there, but you know, just you too. Oh, this is fun. I'm going to show you guys this. So this comes from the Animal Outing Suite. Let's see if I have scissors here. Yeah. So this is super fun ribbon. And of course you can use it like traditional ribbon, but like there are so many things you can do with this. Let me show you. It's called leaf ribbon. Look at that. You see this? It's so fun to go with those little animals. So I have a few ideas of things to do with this. That's going to be really fun. And then there are these little wood elements that go with it. They're called frames elements because they make a bunch of frames, and I'll show you real quick what's in here. If you guys have any questions about this stuff, let me know and I'm happy to answer them. And I'm also really eager to hear, are there any sweets that you guys would love to see as I start doing some kits with the different sweets to help you guys try out some of the stuff. Okay, so in here we have these guys right here, which are the leaves, and then these pop out, and they're like, it's one solid piece, and it's got this just printed, not printed, but like, I don't know, burned, I don't know how they make these, but there's two sides to it. One is smoother, one is rougher, one is lighter, one is darker. You can use your blends to color these and make them any color you would like. And then we have two sheets of these, which this, maybe this does pop out. Does it pop out? Yes, it does actually. That middle part does pop out, so you can have a little frame there. And then you've got the circle one that pops out, and then these heart elements that you can add to it. You have the rectangle that pops out with these extra elements and some of these fun little elements here. And you've got 4 sheets of those. So those are really fun to go with the Animal Outing little critters. And I got my Petal Pink blends, the dark and the light, so that's exciting to add to my stash there. And I got my Petal Pink paper because I don't have any of that. So now I have some that I can use. And I also got my Sale-A-Bration rewards. So you will notice I have Lasting Lily, but I've used this one. I have this one, so this might just be meant for a prize. So we'll have to maybe see how you can maybe get your hands on that one. And I also got So Hoppy Together, which is not one that I have tried yet. So that is all that I got for today in my fun and special kit. And yeah, I will be coming to you from different locations over the next few weeks, and not quite sure when I'll be on or what I'll be doing, but I will do my best to keep things as regular as I can. So I am going to hop off now so I can go ahead and film my tip for today. I'm kind of late getting it up, but I'm going to go ahead and do that now so that you guys can have a fun tip of the week, and I will talk to you later. Bye.